Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is NikkaNadia. Today, we are going to be doing a belly dance tutorial. A little bit over a year ago, I went to visit my beautiful friend Naya Rappaport. I made a little choreography for us for Instagram and TikTok, and it caught some wind. I'd like to share that choreography with you today. So, we're going to be practicing using a book on our head. For learning today, you don't have to start with the book. It is excellent practice, and perhaps very soon I'll do an entire class with books on our head. Keep your book nearby. The sound, believe it or not, I wasn't actually able to find this song. Last year, everyone's asking me, what is this song? I really don't know. It's just a piece of what sounds like a tabla solo that I borrowed from a friend that she found on TikTok. And when I Shazammed it in order to make this for you all today, I found something on Apple Music, Baile Tarabantik, and it's just very repetitive. It repeats the same little track the whole time. So I'll give you a link to that, and I'll also link the original video below. But I apologize in advance for not actually having the whole song. If you find the song or the tabla, I would love to hear from you in your comments below and let me know. So let's begin once again without the book. Okay, we're going to bring our weight onto our back foot, and front foot is beveled up on the toe, much like we're prepared to do a bump and a drop, because matter of fact, that is what we start with. So finding our belly dance posture, lower back is long, lower belly gently lifted, chest lifted and open. So we're going to have our arms down at our sides. It goes dot, 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 brah. So we have a lift and hold, drop and hold, lift and hold, drop and hold, lift, drop, lift, roll down. Again, we have up, down, up, down, up, down, up, camel down. I have all of these moves in tutorials previously, so I'm not going to take too much time to break them down. If you'd like, you can go check them out in the Intro to Belly Dance playlist. We have our weight on our back foot. That knee of the back leg is slightly micro bent so that we're not dropping and bumping into a hyperextended knee. Nice and safe on our joints, and also allows us a little bit of buoyancy so that we're not bouncing up and down as we do this. That's stylistically part of Oriental dance, what makes it magical, mystical to watch. It's also really going to help us balance our book today. Once again, up, hold, down, hold, up, hold, down, hold. Now, without moving the hips, we isolate the chest. Chest lift, chest drop, chest lift, and then a camel or undulation, wave down, chest, stomach, hips. Up to tempo. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, brah. Shall we try it with the music? It has a little boom, 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 boom while we wait. So some time to prepare and breathe. Ready? Then we wait again before the same beat repeats. And we do something different on the next one. So let's try that much a few more times, yes? Here we go. Again. Should we try that much with our books? I think so. Why not? If you know me, I'm an Ayurveda nerd. I'm also studying to be a yoga therapist. Almost done. I am reading Ayurveda Lifestyle Wisdom with Acharya Shunya. This is a floppy book. Floppy or flat, doesn't matter. Find what's easiest for you. Let's give it a whirl, shall we? You really notice how much we need to use our core, how much we need to balance, use good posture, and isolate to enjoy this dance and make it possible with the book on the head. Here we go again. Okay, let's continue. We had up, down, up, down, up, down, up, then side. This is the beginning of a box, pretty much a full box. We have side, tuck, side, back, bump, 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 bump. Side, tuck, side, back, tuck with belly in. Okay, accent belly in as we tuck. Side, tuck, side, back, tuck. Keep your pelvis neutral now, or even slightly tucked, no problem. Out, in with the belly. Boom, boom. I just made a video on belly accents, and I'll be introducing many more in the next few weeks. So you can find videos on how to do that here as well. We have side tuck, side back, Then the next bra. Here's perhaps the trickiest part if moving your belly is easy. With one foot still slightly in front, we're going to go down and up. Side, tuck, side, back, tuck, belly out, belly in, bra. I show you my feet there. Down. So one leg is going a little bit more in front of the other and up. Once again, side, tuck, side, back, in, out, in, bra. And we finish with rapid omis, so fast hip circles. I recommend that you take this heel and put it down. That's going to give you more of a nice grounded stance in order to get into these omis. These are simply hip circles. Again, isolating, chest is lifted and not moving. And the track cuts off and repeats before we really even get more than 2 or 3 in. So let's try it without the tabla from the top and without the book, and then slowly but surely we'll add those in. We have up, down, up, down, up, down, up, bra. Side tuck, side back, tuck, out, in, bra. Bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Again, we have up, down, up, down, up, down, up, bra. Side tuck, side back, tuck, out, in, bra. Bum, ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. Okay, let's try it with the music. Here we go. So right now, without the book, we can just drop into that drop with lots of momentum, but you'll find once you add the book, you need to take it a little bit more careful so we don't lose the book. Let's try it 2 more times without book, then add book. Let's go. We have... One more time. And... Okay, you guys, let's go for it. Why not? Remember, this is for fun. So be patient, be gentle. Find your book on your head. Here we go. It's okay if you dropped it. I drop it plenty of times as well. I don't know if it's better to use floppy or hard. My hard books were all put away right now. Let's go a few more times, you guys. Here we go. Here we go. A few more times. Hope you're having fun. If you drop your book, I hope you laugh so hard. And one more time. One more time. All right, you guys, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had lots of fun. Also, I'd like to invite you. I host Zoom classes on Mondays and soon to be in the new year, Saturdays, Monday evenings, and Saturday midday. That's Pacific Standard Time. I would love to see you there. You can buy the recording. And we have a lovely group of ladies who get together on Zoom and celebrate and dance every week. Let me know if you have any questions. Show me your videos, your practice. I would love to see. And have a beautiful rest of your day or evening. Bye.